Welcome to this short video showing my Wordle helper I made using Excel. Take a look at this Wordle. Sometimes, even though there's probably only one or two solutions, the answer just doesn't pop out like it should. Of course, once you see the solution, it's time for an epic facepalm in which you berate yourself for missing it, but the tool doesn't judge. So let's jump into Excel. First, let's put in the letters that we have left. These are Q, E, T, Y, U, D, F, J, K, Z, X, V, B, N, M. And we know that letter D is in position 3, and we know that letter E is in position 5. Now we click Solve, and it will test all possible combinations against the spell checker, putting anything that's valid into column A. At the end, it will tell you how many it tried, 3,375 in this case. And one of those words is going to be your solution. And when you see the words coming out that you could not think of when you were trying to do the Wordle is when you start to kick yourself.